Hi everyone, this is Sunny. Today I will share you with my favorite recipe. Tofu recipe is called mapotofu. It's very delicious and very simple, easy to make. Even you don't have the critical ingredient called doubanjiang, we can use something else to replace. Let's check it out. So let's prepare some dry ingredients first. It's very important, this ingredient called Sichuan chili pepper. It's very strong. So for me, I will use 1 tablespoon. For you guys, never eat it, 1 teaspoon is enough. And then this is the chili pepper. It's medium spicy. You can buy it from any grocery store. And then 3 cloves of garlic you will use. Chop the garlic. And mix with the Sichuan chili pepper and chili pepper. For the chili pepper, I recommend 1 tablespoon. It's time for wet ingredients. I use this chili garlic sauce. You can use any chili sauce if you want, not a very spicy one. And this is the cornstarch. You will mix with water later. If you don't have doubanjiang, this is perfect. Miso sauce is replace the doubanjiang. And oyster sauce for the flavor. Soy sauce for the saltiness. In another bowl, let's mix all these wet ingredients together. First of all, is the light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. This can give very good saltiness to the tofu when we stew it. And then is the garlic sauce, or you can replace by Sichuan spicy sauce. And now is the oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. We mix it a little bit. And now we put 1 tablespoon of miso paste. This is to replace the doubanjiang if you don't have it at home. And now this is cornstarch. Right away, we will mix with the water, half cup of the water. Mix it well and put aside. And now this is the main ingredients. It's a meat firm tofu. It's better to buy from Chinese grocery store. And the minced pork. This is about 40 to 60%, so you can see some fat. It's very juicy. Perfect. Deal with the tofu. I will cut it just right inside its box. It's a perfect way to deal with it. Don't make a mess of your table. So I will cut in this direction and I cut in another direction like this. Make it into the cubes. In a hot pan, let's put some oil. Now you can put just Sichuan chili pepper inside and then remove them. This you won't eat them when you eat the mapotofu. But now for my version, I just put everything together. When you see the oil is changing color, now it's a good time for you to put the minced pork inside. You have to separate those pork. Don't let them stick together. Keep them like this. Use low heat. And now it's time to add your tofu cubes. Give it a good stir and let everything well coated together. Before we put in the sauce, let's mix them well because they have a cornstarch. It's all at the bottom. When you see it's well mixed, let's pour it in. You can smell the delicious flavor right away. Now let's give another good stir and let the tofu rest with the minced pork for 10 minutes at a low heat. Stir it sometimes in case it sticks the pan. While your tofu is bubbling, let's deal with some toppings. I choose some spring onion, Yes, I just used the root and it starts to grow something new. We minced it. It's about 1 tablespoon. And then you just add to your mapotofu when it's ready. Check how delicious it looks like. And your full house will smell like Chinese mapotofu. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. This is Sunny.